Oh my god. Holy cow. What? What? No way! So this is what it looks like. This brush is absolutely amazing.
Look how shiny my hair is.
This reduces the frizz, which is amazing because I always struggle with little flyaways and breakage and stuff. I am so in love. I am so in love with this. It was so much easier. It cut down the time, probably by like 20 minutes. It's so smooth and it's so easy to use and it's not heavy. Guys, this is literally the best thing I've ever got. I hope you guys can go and get this because this thing is thebomb.com.
This is thebomb.com.